Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add the 20, the 50, and the 200 OMA in Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness chart, then go to indicators. Click on it and type here moving average. Okay, and choose this one, moving average exponential. Now click on it 3 times. Okay, so this is the first one, the second one, and the third one. As you can see here, these are the moving averages. Okay, now let's click on these 3 dots and click on settings. Now let's make this one, for example, the 20 OMA. We have here style. You can change the color if you want, for example, yellow, and you can change the thickness. After you finish, click on OK. Now this yellow OMA is the 20. Now let's add the 50. Choose the second one and click on these 3 dots. Click on settings, go to input and type here 50. Again, you can change the color if you want, for example, this color, and you can change the thickness. Okay, I think that you get the idea. After that, click on OK. And now let's add the 200. Again, click on these 3 dots, settings, input, and type here 200. Now go to style, change the color. For example, I will choose white, and I will choose the thickness. After you finish, click on OK. And as you can see here, this is the 200 OMA, and this one, the yellow, is the 20, and this one is the 50. Okay, you can click on it, and it will be selected here. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.